So you've connected your OT network data to OptigoVN and have started seeing results. Now you realize you want more. Hi, I'm Ryan with Optigo Networks. Sitescope Plus is an optional add-on to your free OptigoVN account that unlocks powerful advanced diagnostics, delivering next-level insights and OT network troubleshooting you won't get anywhere else. And the best part? Not only can it be added to any OT network you're monitoring, you can share access to anyone inside or outside your organization. In this video, let's look at how quick and easy it is to purchase, add, and share access to Sitescope Plus for any of the OT networks in your OptigoVN account. Before we add Sitescope Plus, be sure you've already watched our video on creating an OT network and subnode in OptigoVN. The link to the video is in the description below. To purchase and assign your Sitescope Plus, click the Add Sitescope button in the action bar near the top of the page. Scroll down to the add-on section and click the Subscribe for Sitescope Plus button. Here you'll select the OT network you want to assign your Sitescope Plus to, and choose between an annual or monthly subscription. OptigoVN will automatically select the best plan according to the number of devices in your network. Go ahead and select the number of Sitescope Plus you want to purchase now. One Sitescope Plus is needed for every 200 devices on your OT network. Enter your credit card payment details, or if you prefer to pay via purchase order, select Pay by Invoice when purchasing your annual plan. Click Purchase, and you're done. With your Sitescope Plus applied, you'll now be able to access all the advanced diagnostics on any subnode you have under that OT network. Your Diagnostics tab is now fully populated with additional impact and overview information on issues down to the device level. The Devices tab will also show a comprehensive list of devices found on your OT network. To help you understand your results, we've created a detailed article running through each test result and what they mean, on top of our detailed knowledge base entries for each one. You'll find links to each in the description below. And finally, sharing your Sitescope Plus access with users from external organizations is just as quick and simple. Start by navigating to the OT network you want to share access to. Click on Settings, and then click Invite Organization or User to Share. Enter the email addresses of the users you want to add, and click Share Invite and close. And that's it. You've connected your OT network to some of the most powerful diagnostic tools in the industry for monitoring and troubleshooting. Don't use OptigoVN yet? Start today by creating a free account at app.optigovn.com and discover what your OT networks are missing.